Welcome back, everyone. In this lecture, we're going to have an overview of your assessment for this section of the course. Let's go ahead and show you what is expected of you for the Python assessment by opening up the notebook. Alright, so underneath the Python Text Basics folder, you should see a notebook called Python Text Basics Assessment. And you should see another one called Solutions, which we're going to go over in the very next lecture. If you open up Python Text Basics Assessment, you should see a couple of questions here. Essentially, your tasks are just lined up in bold below. So first one is to print an F string that displays NLP stands for Natural Language Processing. So maybe it's a little hard to tell from the font, but basically we have two variables, NLP and Natural Language Processing, and use F strings to print out this one single string. So that's just F string literals, little reminder how to do that. Then files, we want you to create a file in the current working directory called contacts.txt by either doing it manually or running the cell right here. Then open the file and use .read to save the contents of the file to a string called fields, and make sure the file is closed at the end. So fields should just be a single string that looks like this. Then using PyPDF2, open the file called business_proposal.pdf and extract the text of page 2. So underneath Python Text Basics, there's a PDF here called business_proposal. Go ahead and use PyPDF2 to open it and extract the text from page 2. And it should look something like this. Next, open the file called contacts.txt in append mode and add the text of page 2 from above contacts.txt. And there's a challenge here, is see if you can remove the word authors. So then we have two solutions, one for the normal assignment and then one for the challenge assignment. And then we have a regular expressions task, which is using the page 2 text variable created above, extract any email addresses that were contained in the file business proposal. So remember, we showed you how to extract phone numbers. See if you can figure out the basic pattern of an email address, which should be some sequence of characters, and then the key thing here to realize is the @ symbol, and then another sequence of characters. Okay, best of luck on the assessment. Coming up next, we're going to go over the solutions. We'll see you there.